Hey guys, how to create cinematic videos with Pictory AI. So go ahead to the Pictory AI website, right? And then go ahead and click get started for free. And you're gonna continue to log in with your account. I use my Google account. So as you can see right here, I'm gonna be able to access the Pictory AI. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click text to video. And I'm gonna click, right? And then start typing your own script. In my case, I'm gonna use ChatGPT to create a random script. Create, for example, create a short script, right? Example. It could be anything for you, maybe something you're interested in, right? And basically, copy your script, right? Any script without scene. So in my case, I'm gonna use without scene, right? So I can copy it, right? Let's say, for example, right here. Sorry for that. Gonna copy this, right? Copy, and then paste the script right here. Minus host. Forgot to erase that. Alright. And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and hit proceed. Okay, at the top right. And as you can see right here, you're gonna wait until the video storyboard is being created, right? And as you can see, you're gonna wait for a few moments until the visuals are ready, right? And then afterwards, you're gonna be able to see the last or the final touch right here. So you can play it to preview how this video is created, right? And if you like what you see, you can go ahead and hit download right here by clicking download. So that's another count of this video. Hope you do not forget to like and subscribe, and we will catch you in the next time.